Hello there, welcome to 3DLand. Today, in this video, we'll make our first working C# program. Let's get rid of all the lines of code in this script. You can get the following code from the description below or you can follow along. Let's run this. We got this basic program running on CMD. Now, let's understand what is happening in the code. The main function inside the program class is called whenever the application is opened. In the main function, we request a console to write a line, "Hello YouTube." You can command it to print anything. Let us change it to "I am a genius." That's it for today. Thanks for watching.